I made dinner.
Thanks, honey.
This is firm tofu. I already squeezed out the excess water, and now I'm just gonna break it up into little clumps. To this, I'm gonna add some ground pork. You can also use ground beef, some onion, garlic, scallion, carrot, mushroom bouillon. You can also use chicken bouillon, black pepper, salt, soy sauce, and some eggs. Oh, and some sesame oil. The best way to form a patty is to roll it into a ball, so it looks something like this. And then with the palms of your hands, just flatten it. And then go back and shape it so it looks something like this. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. This is all-purpose flour. Our patties into the flour. I'm dipping my patty into my eggs. This is 3 eggs and 3 egg yolk. Now I'm just gonna garnish each one with some scallion and some dill. Yummy!